Want to know about digital marketing? What is in it for your business? What is digital marketing? Why choose digital marketing? What are the different aspects of digital marketing?
Hey! What's with business owners' obsession with digital marketing these days? Suddenly, it is all over the market.
Man, I am thankful that by the time my startup idea clicked, this concept already existed.
I totally agree with you. It has gained popularity in recent times. The reason is the increased use of devices connected to the internet.
Yeah. If it was not for the internet, I would not have been able to open my online store.
But how is it more beneficial than traditional marketing?
Well, it is cost-effective to start with. Business does not have to compromise with marketing even if they are a startup and running short on budget.
Dude, the most relatable example is me. I started it from my own room to one small office, just because I could not fit the 2 guys who I hired in my room. With all that added cost, if it were not for digital marketing, I would still have not checked the marketing checkbox in my list. Apart from it, I would not have been able to increase my reach in such a short period. We are not just local but global. I have hired a digital marketing agency that provides me with custom-tailored campaigns. They provide me with detailed reports on a fixed period to provide me insight into all the campaigns that they run to achieve each short-term goal, making it possible to achieve the long-term goal.
This means you must be profiting from your startup.
Yes. It is hard to believe for me, but we are.
What is digital marketing?
This sounds awesome. I want to know more about it. Can we start from the basics?
Why not? Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising but also text and multimedia messages as a marketing channel.
How would I know my business needs digital marketing?
Well, the reason could be many, including the benefits we have already seen. Digital marketing has a lot to offer as compared to traditional marketing. For anyone who is seeking to leverage the reach of the internet, digital marketing is the only effective way to do it. Organic branding of your business over time among the prospects is achieved by digital marketing. Well, earning good bucks is also one of the reasons business owners invest a good amount of their budget in various aspects of digital marketing.
Different aspects of digital marketing? I mean, it is not just digital marketing as a whole?
Well, this coffee we drink is a whole, but variation in each ingredient can impact the final result, and so is the case with digital marketing. What are the different aspects of digital marketing? Search engine optimization, pay-per-click, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing a website for Google's search algorithm. The goal of SEO is to improve the visibility of a website in Google's search results. There are 2 types of SEO, on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing the content and structure of a website so that it is more visible to Google's search algorithm. Off-page SEO focuses on building links to a website from other websites. The more links a website has, the more visible it is to Google's search algorithm. Both on-page and off-page SEO are important for improving the visibility of a website in Google's search results. Search engine marketing, or SEM, is a form of digital marketing that uses paid advertising to drive traffic to your website. With SEM, you can target specific customers through paid search ads, which appear in search results when people enter certain keywords or phrases. By targeting specific customers and keywords, you can effectively market your business to people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Paid search ads are a great way to generate leads and drive traffic to your website. and they can be an effective part of your overall digital marketing strategy. Content marketing. In today's content-driven world, businesses cannot afford to neglect content marketing. By creating and distributing relevant and valuable content, businesses can attract and retain customers while also driving sales. Content marketing is all about creating valuable and relevant content that will attract attention and build interest in your product or service. This can take many forms, from blog posts and articles to infographics and videos. The key is to create content that is both informative and engaging and that will ultimately lead potential customers back to your website or storefront. With so much competition out there, content marketing is essential for any business that wants to succeed. PPC is a type of online advertising where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. Advertisers bid on keywords that they think people will search for when they're looking for products or services like theirs. The higher their bid, the more likely their ad will show up in search results. When someone clicks on their ad, they're taken to the advertiser's website. PPC can be an effective way to drive traffic to your website and generate leads. Email marketing. If you're not using email marketing to reach your target audience, you're missing out on a powerful tool. Email marketing allows you to send highly targeted messages straight to the inboxes of your ideal customers. Plus, it's a great way to stay top of mind with your audience. That's it. Utilizing this aspect would increase the reach of your business around the globe and ultimately would help you achieve the desired ROI.
Great, I will consider it for my business too.
I highly recommend you because the growth we have seen because of digital marketing would not have been possible without it.
For more such informative digital marketing videos, do not forget to give our videos a like, share, subscribe. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we post such digital marketing educatory videos next time.